said all first gear work. That's all. Oh, he switched it.
Rockstar lifestyle when I'm born make it. I done came up and all these niggas, yeah, they haters. She told me that she loved me, always knew that she was faking. MG on the beach, yo, wait till I'm the greater.
What is up, Go Fam? You already know I'm out here. I'm about to go ride with Sayer, tweeting on. I'm about to go get the little dirt bike. It's actually in my mom's basement. Yeah, Demi! Wanna ride the dirt bike then? But today is Try Tuesday, so you know the vibes. I got the C1 Hundo and all that. Yeah, that's gonna be whole separate video. Try Tuesday, GoPro POV. But you see the merch making. It's a little messy down here, but hold up. Ooh, ooh. You see that ting? A whole lot of merch making. You see that ting though? Yes, sir. That ting in there. Let me get this thing now. Ride talking about she wanna ride the dirt bike. I said, carried up the steps, you can ride it. Yeah, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, she really, yo, she really carried it up. Never. What? Yeah. Oh, and you got the shirt to match it and all that. But I need to wait for Tweeting off because he got the key joint for it. So, I'm waiting for them. You finna do?
I will ride it, but I need to get one bigger.
No, you don't. You can ride it. Look, perfect for you. Perfect, Demi.
Well, I need a bike.
What?
I need dirt bikes up Dad said.
What?
Shut up.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Don't. See the little thing now? Yes, sir.
Shut up, you're the little train.
Look at that. You mobbing. Y'all think it's legal or something, huh? Pull up, leave the bikes out there. Okay. Okay. And you riding in the Jordans? You'll get money. He get money. Look at this little hoagie thing though. Unreal. Tweet little fresh 85 thing. This one is a little fresh though.
That dirt bike's ugly.
Oh, this dirt bike ugly? You crazy. You need to do some burnouts though. Dang. Oh, you see the vibes. They really left both of them out here though. They tripping. With the door shut and all that. They said no panic. Oh, side scraping the low 85? Okay. What? You gonna ride it? Unreal. Yeah, come on, no, they're tripping. What, I'm gonna tow the dirt bike if the cops come? Like me. Oh, I thought that was a cop coming up too, no cap. Yeah. Oh, that joint just took 100 pulls though. You know the vibes. We gotta get that big allow. You see the vibes. Yes, sir. Now we down the bottom though. Hair all messed up and all that. I ain't gonna lie, so you're getting busy on the little 85 thing. Oh, you hear that? Oh. 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 Oh, a little no hand ting ting. Okay. Tweet said he about to take this joint to go take a poop.
Gotta take a shit. It is what it is. I don't care.
I ain't gonna lie, it's my first time riding a little 85 thing. It's gonna hit. As you can hear it, idle high as ever. Oh my god. Damn. Yo. Alright. Tweet just said he ran out of gas on the little joint. Don't drop. Oh. Oh. I'm about to follow him now, get him some more ganger. Look, this on idle high as ever. Aside about to get some work. Yes, sir. Oh, that car. I thought he was about to pull up on us and all that. Hear this hokey though?
Hey, one more thing. Don't hit our car and don't hit my car.
Alright, we won, bro. We got it. Thank you.
You want to race?
Yeah, let's race.
We're going to do wheelies.
Let's race. Come on. You got head start. Go ahead. Oh, I was chilling though. I ain't gonna lie. I thought he was gonna be on some nut ish, but he was actually chilling. Cause you know we ain't doing nothing wrong. We just ain't here riding. But yo, you see the new drip things. Whole lot of new one-way shirts dropping real soon. So stay tuned. Oh my God, die. His swag way better on that than the 150. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, touch! Oh! Keep that wheel up! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Oh! Yes, sir! Wow, word! Oh, what? Oh! 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 Follow my son, Oneway _ side here, you know the vibes, big old WTL. Oh my God. Let the band talk, shorty. Let's go, keep that thing up. Don't drop. Don't drop. Oh, to the ground. Oh. I thought it was about to go down. Oh, they said don't ride on the grass. Sorry. Damn. I didn't mean that. Let's go. Let's go. That drone sounds good. I ain't even gonna lie. That drone sounds good. Oh my God! That boy, oh no break. That boy working that thing. I'm about to try to get some little work in on this thing. We're trying to switch it to gear without. What did you do? Word. That boy, word. Unreal.
Okay, shorty. Out.
Beat that bill. Definitely is hot as ever though. Sheesh. Whew. Unreal. Whew. I'm about to ask OG, do you want to learn? You want to learn that, OG?
I gave him a head start and I stole with his.
Oh, you want to learn how to do that though? All right, next week. I'll take you for that. He said all first gear work. That joint, oh, he switched it. There we go. That joint sounds way better than this though. Style. Boss it. Boss it. Boss it. Boss it. Boss it. Boss it. That joint sounds good. Oh. Yes, sir. Ah, Wordman. I don't know how he don't ride with gloves. I need gloves. Right? My hands all sweating. Yeah, no way. Oh. Let me see that, John. Let me see that. Here, it's still recording. Cause Jumbo Worm stalled out 100 times trying to go and record Worm Jumbo. Let me see how this thing busts, you heard me? But the joint still feel a little poop.
This?
Way to learn how to wheel it right here.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Bro, look how my arm is. Cause I don't really be riding anymore. That joint's swollen. Look at this arm. Look at this, y'all. Die, y'all. Yeah, screw. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie, this joint sound good as flip. But that joint, I think it might be a little scarier. Cause that joint really. But he just gotta fix his carb on that joint. But damn, it's hot as flip. If the chop came out clearly on that joint.
Can I put it in the house and can we go to the store? Yeah. So I'm not gonna meet us outside and go to the store?
Alright, we back now though. Tweet ran out of gas on this thing. I don't know how, but Worm. Bro. That joint was a full tank.
No gas on my payment, none of that 2-stroke.
Ain't nothing on none of the payment.
They really just leave these joints out here like it's legal. Well, it is joint. That's mine, but look. Girl, I'm outside. That's it. They tripping. Unreal. Look at him, boy. Chain of that thing, lipsy back. Lipsy back. Y'all. Unreal. Alright, go fam, this is the end of this video. I forgot to do the outro, so I just put a little pedal wake video and do a little voiceover. Jeremy, you know the vibes. But yeah, subscribe if you aren't already. Join the Go fam. All first gear work on 2-stroke dirt bikes. I mean, all first gear though, no cap. But yeah, put a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it. Go get the merch right now. Link in the description. Subscribe to the Uncut, the Oneway channel, all that. Subscribe to all the channels in the description and all that. But I appreciate all y'all for watching. Subscribe if you aren't already. Join the Go Fam. Let's get 200K out. I think I'm at like 179 right now. I think we can get 200K. But yeah, you know the vibes, Go Fam. Thanks for watching. We out. Yeah.